Welcome! This will be something new. For you and for me.
Hello.
Today, I will show you. MailModo is an email marketing tool powered by MailMails, enabling users to create send app-like interactive emails to improve conversions. As interactions happen inside the email, users can take actions seamlessly within the email.
Meet Jane. She is busy drafting a compelling offer email for her users. But sadly, not all her users open emails. Fewer click on the link in the email. And even fewer wait for the website to load, log in, and take several more steps to complete the desired action. Here's an idea. Imagine if her users could do everything inside the email. Yes, just like a website. Presenting MailModo, a complete email marketing platform powered by AMP Email, enabling marketers like Jane to insert forms and apps within an email. With MailModo, users do not just look at your mails in awe, but take the desired actions. MailModo also lets Jane add web-like widgets like multi-step forms, calendars, shopping carts, and even APIs within emails. With MailModo, her users submit more responses, book more meetings, and shop more. And she doesn't even need a developer. She can just drag, drop, and get done. Create a website-like email within minutes. Jane can personalize her content for every user. She can even automate everything using a drag-and-drop journey builder. She can track every email's performance and easily integrate MailModo with other apps using Zapier. Thanks to MailModo, not only do her emails get high open rates, but now she also gets 3 times more responses. Bring life to your email marketing with MailModo. Visit mailmodo.com and sign up for free access today.
Visit mailmodo.com and send up to 5,000 emails per month for free. Link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Voices in this video are generated on 15.ai.